Psychologists tell us everyone learns differently. Different individuals perceive and process information in different ways, depending on their genetics and life experiences. It stands to reason then, if you want someone to learn well, you need to know what type of learner they are. Concrete perceivers absorb information through direct experience by sensing, feeling, and acting. Abstract perceivers take in information through observing, thinking, and analysing. Active processors make sense of an experience by using this new information straight away. Reflective processors make sense of an experience by thinking about it and reflecting upon it. Traditional schooling tends to favour abstract perceiving and reflective processing, so other kinds of learning aren't necessarily rewarded or reflected in the teaching, curriculum and assessment. There are many different models of learning which all acknowledge different learning styles. One such model is the VARK model. In this model, there are 4 learning preferences. Visual learners learn best by seeing things. Auditory learners learn well by just hearing things. Reading and writing learners have a preference for learning using text as an input and an output. Kinesthetic learners learn best by doing. Some people learn through a mixture of learning styles and are regarded as multimodal. Type 1 multimodal learners don't have a preference and use a different learning style for different things. Type 2 multimodal learners use all types of learning style for each experience. They take longer to learn, but often have a deeper understanding. Another way of understanding learning is through the questions that people ask. Those who ask why want reasons. They learn best through discussion. Those who ask what want factual information and may expect to be spoon-fed. The value of their learning experience may be limited by their overemphasis on facts. Traditional teaching works well here, perhaps better than the other 3 types. Those who ask how are pragmatic learners who want to know how things work. Then they do things with what they learn. Those who ask what if want to explore the consequences and possibilities. They learn through self-discovery. Rather than present information to learners which only answer certain types of questions, Bernice McCarthy proposed a format model. This model accounts for how people observe and process information by passing through a learning cycle. At each quadrant of the cycle, the 4 different types of questions are answered. As such, learning differences are addressed. Although there are other models, and each emphasises different learning styles, it can be seen that a good way to help someone learn better is to treat them as an individual. If you understand the type of learner and what triggers most effective learning, You can then focus on those triggers. You can also present information in many different formats: text, video, auditory, and practical, to appeal to different learning styles. This way, everyone benefits from the learning experience.